Hi, welcome to TechWrap channel. I'm Glory and in today's video we're going to create a magnetic weekly planner using magnetic printable sheets and laminate. These magnetic printable sheets are designed for use with inkjet printers, allow users to print vibrant images, text, or graphics directly onto their surface, adhere securely to metal surfaces like refrigerators, whiteboards, filing cabinets, lockers, and toolboxes, without the need for messy adhesives or tape. Lamination is also required after printing to preserve the integrity of your designs and protect them from smudges, scratches, and moisture. Next, we have the laminate sheets. These laminate sheets come on different styles. For this project, we're going to use holographic style. These laminating sheets are durable and long-lasting, easy to apply and perfect for different types of projects. With anything else to say, let's get started. Like always, I will be using the Silhouette Studio program. I already have the background that I'm going to use for the weekly planner. Now, let's make it from scratch. I'm going to start adding some orange rectangles. The two on the top, one is going to say weekly planner and the other one is going to say week off. Now I'm going to add some squares where I'm going to place the days of the week. And one of those squares is going to be a rectangle because I'm going to do a to-do list. And I will add another rectangle on the bottom, and this one is going to be the note space. Now I will add an offset to all of my squares and rectangles. I changed the color from the top so the contrast look better. Now let's add the text on our weekly planner. I will create some circles and lines for our to-do list. And once we are done with our design, let's print it and laminate. Now that we have our printed page over here, we're going to laminate it using the holographic sheet. And now let's place the laminate on top of our page. I'm going to be using this squeegee from teckwrap so I don't get any bubbles on the page. This laminate is really easy to apply and it's really smooth, as you can see. Look how pretty the laminate looks. Now let's place it on the cutting mat so the machine can cut our weekly planner. Now let's send to cut. The cut settings that I'm going to use is 31 4/4, 5 in blade, and 2 passes. I will speed it up because it's a simple shape. Now that the machine has finished cutting, we're going to take our weekly planner out from our cutting mat. And here's how it looks like. I really love it. It looks really pretty. And now we're going to test it on our fridge. Now let's use this dry eraser marker to test our weekly planner. And as you can see, it works really well. And with the laminate on top, you can erase what you write. If you loved today's project, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you can see more videos. See you on the next one. Bye!